So there's a $43 million credit with the state for something they did, and they'll be paying towards the new middle school that'll be built near where the new high school is. That is being started or start construction next month and will end in 2027. The Baker demo, their primary concerns right now are relocating the tornado siren. That access property for it is being sold from the school to the city for $1, just so the city owns it, so the city can relocate the siren. What else was there for that? I guess there's somebody going around scaring people about the pest problem. That when Baker gets destroyed, that all these roaches are going to go to the neighboring houses. That's just a false thing. They scare tactic. It's what the city's saying or the school's saying, so don't believe that. It's weird. We called it roach apocalypse in the video. Anywho's, the local tattoo shop owner brought up concerns with asbestos debris. They said they have a policy and like procedures for that in place. So thanks for the concern, but they do have things in place to help with that, allegedly. There was concern about the dust, and they were like, "Oh, they'll be spraying stuff as well." But then lady's like, "Well, I had to shut my door today because of the dust." So he's looking into it. The sidewalks are staying. The old trees, they're checking to see if they're staying. He said whoever asked about it was getting their emails, and we'll hear something about that later on. The post demo, once everything's said and done, it'll be just soil and seed on top of it. Hopefully grass later on. Is 27 acres, and they're hoping to sell it or get about $750,000 to $1 million for that property. It has to go to auction first, and then they said they're going to put a high reservation or high res on the auction, so hopefully it doesn't necessarily sell to bad people, allegedly, or bad businesses. They want something good for the town, something good for that community. A couple different things were suggested, like old senior home, which I thought was a good idea because there's a lot of concern for that as well. Another person brought up a grocery store, which is a great idea, but a lot of that is getting the developers in, getting the investors in to do all that. So it's a lot of work. And all those type of ideas were pushed to the city council meetings and to the mayor. So he just kind of deflected, just put them all that way. What else was there? Oh, if you want a souvenir brick from the school, he said they will be on the corner of Dayton and Lincoln. Once the demo starts, once you see them start demoing, they'll be there at 10 a.m. every day. So if you want a souvenir brick, check at Dayton and Lincoln at 10 a.m. That's when they put them there. So, and the only other concern was all the trophies and plaques, which are in a storage unit somewhere and have been digitized. So I guess there's a new board, a new display screen over at the high school that you can just go up there and touch, type people's name in, their placard, and everything will come up. So everything is now digital, but they do have them over in storage. So if you're curious about something of yours that was hanging up at the school that might not be there anymore, is probably over in storage and now digitized at the high school, which is pretty neat. Hopefully here soon I'll be able to get over there and get you guys some photos and videos of that. But that pretty much wraps up the meeting. They pretty much all the concerns were just about the next couple steps about demoing the building and make sure it's safe and good for the community and what they expect to be going through the future. Hopefully I'm able to provide you about 30 or 3 minute and some change, about 4 minute video compared to the 40-minute long meeting, or actually probably about a 50-minute meeting. So hope you guys enjoyed and stay safe and take care, Fairborn.